Hi, let's cook white sauce pasta together, for which we are going to use all these ingredients. First of all, we'll boil pasta and sweet corn. On the other side, we'll cook all the vegetables, for which I'm going to take garlic, onions, capsicum and mushroom. You can take any vegetable of your choice. Make sure it should be cooked only 80% for that crunch. Now we'll make white sauce, for which we'll take 2 teaspoons of maida and roast it in butter. Then add a glass of milk and wait for it to convert into a thick cream. Then add all the vegetables and a teaspoon of pizza pasta sauce. For extra flavoring, add oregano and chili flakes. Now add the boiled pasta and sweet corn to it. Mix it, and yeah, your white sauce pasta is ready.